Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find sent follow requests on Instagram. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Instagram profile and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Account Center at the top of the page. Scroll down to your information and permissions and tap Download your information. Then tap Download or Transfer information. Choose some of your information, scroll to Connections and select All. Scroll to the bottom and tap Next. Tap Download to Device. Now select the date range for which you want to check follow requests. For a complete list, choose All Time and tap Save. Confirm the email address where you will receive the file, then tap Create Files. Instagram will prepare your data. Once the file is ready, tap Download, re-enter your password, and download the file to your device. Next, go to your iPhone's home screen and open the Files app. Tap Downloads, then locate and tap the Instagram zip file. It will automatically unzip into a folder. Open the folder, then navigate to Connections and open Followers and Following. Inside, find the file named Pending Follow Requests. This file lists all the accounts you have sent follow requests to. So that's basically how you can find sent follow requests on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.